Hey everyone, so I wanted to hop on and do a little makeup haul with you guys. I ordered some things from my friend who does Synergens like I do, and I wanted to show you what I got. I haven't even opened up the bag. It's been sitting there for a couple days now, and I don't know about you guys, but when you order something now lately, it takes forever to get it. Like, because it's just like so I don't know, it's just been crazy. So like, I ordered a pair of pants a while back, at the beginning of like February or something, or January, and they didn't come for like almost a month. Like, it was crazy. So this is what it looks like, what I got from what I ordered. It has this bubble wrap, and I'm gonna take a picture really fast off camera and come back for you guys and then open it with you guys. Okay, so I took some pictures, so I'm gonna open this up for you. This is, it says thank you for your order, just a little sticker that my friend, woo, super, I didn't know it was gonna come out like that. So it comes in this little like iridescent bag. These are perfect for traveling or just throwing in your purse for on the go. If you do not know what Synergens makeup is, it is the best makeup around. It's really, really, really good for your skin. And I ordered the ice neutral collection. So what that is, it is Shimmer. That is from a collection. If you don't know what Shimmer comes in this tube, and it is a cream to powder eyeshadow. You have about 60 to 90 seconds to apply it before it sets into place. Once it's set into place, it's smudge-proof, crease-proof, waterproof, anti-aging, skincare, layerable, buildable. It's hydrating. It does not come off until you take it off. We have mattes, we have shimmers, and we have glitters. Once the shimmers and glitters are applied and they're dry, there is no fallout. And the best part about it is it comes in this little tube, and when you're at the end scraping, I'll show you on a different one. So I use this one as my base. This is Candlelight. But if you're like scraping to get stuff out, you use tweezers and you pop this out and you get 20% more of products. That is amazing. So if you're using an everyday color like Candlelight, it's probably going to last you 3 to 4 to 6 months. There's no cleanup. It comes in that tube. You can apply it with a wand. So I ordered the Ice Neutral collection, and I have been waiting for this like forever. So that is not part of the collection. So it comes with a smudge-proof, waterproof eyeliner. It is rose gold. It is brand new. It's amazing. So it comes with this little card, and it says Shimmer Eye Easy Contouring. So it shows you how to apply it. I might do a little tutorial on that. So, this one, I'll tell you the colors. And these also, the Ice Neutral collection also has mini Lipsenses, and they're the same size as a Shadow Sense. So this one is Ice Coffee Shimmer. This one is very popular, and you can actually buy these individually too. So then the next one is Caramelized Shimmer, very pretty. And then this is Glazed Glitter. This is a popular one. If you don't want to buy their collection, you can buy them individually. So the Shadow Senses are $22, and the eyeliner pencil is $25. So the next thing that I ordered was blush Lipsense. It's a returning color. It's very popular Lipsense color, but it is new to me because I have never had it. I've never owned it, so I definitely am gonna do a tutorial on that one soon. And then I do not know what this is, so I ordered this around Valentine's Day, and my friend usually puts a gift in there, and I don't know what it is. They're earrings. They're like really cute crocheted earrings. And I just bought a sweater from my friend. She owns a little boutique called Darling Ann. You could click my Instagram link, and then it'll take you to Instagram on my YouTube page, about YouTube page, and you can go and find her. She has amazing clothes. So it's called Darling Ann, and I do a lot more reels and stuff over on my Instagram page. So if you want to message me about the makeup or anything, please be kind with your words. But this will totally go with this sweater I got, and my friend didn't even know I ordered it. So I really like them because they have like gold, and they are earrings. So I think that is it. So, but yeah, go check her page out. She is amazing. She's very talented. She's very sweet. I just love her stuff that she gets and puts on the site too. And you can follow her there, and you can, on her Instagram page, Darling Ann, there's a link that will take you to her boutique. So, but I'm going to finish up here and take pictures of everything that I got, and then I'm going to do my makeup. It is Monday, and I don't know about you, but I'm just having a really hard time moving. I don't know if it's Monday or if it's just because I'm tired. I have a huge week this week, and I am praying that I will get answers this week. So, and they will find out things, and I can go on vitamins and all that stuff. So that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm praying for. So if you would like to join me in praying for that, because I'm getting better. So, but I still have to have a few appointments to kind of figure out what's going on. So, thanks for watching. Please like this video, and please hit the subscribe button before you leave. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this little makeup haul that I'm doing for you guys, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it.